Hello everyone, we are Zainab Kishkar and Kharroub Samira, and in this video we are excited to present our complete redesign of the University of Bomardes, including both the logo and the official website interface. When we first analyzed the current UMBB website, we noticed something important. The university has a strong academic and scientific content, but a digital image doesn't reflect that strength. So we asked ourselves, what if UMBB website truly matches its academic excellence? Before redesigning the logo, we studied the existing one. We found that it is difficult to read at small sizes, it lacks digital flexibility, and also it feels visually heavy. So this motivated us to create a logo that is simpler and more meaningful. The new logo is built around strong academic symbolism. Each element has a purpose. The open book represents education, the flame symbolizes innovation, the global reflects international cooperation, the black rock reference identity and history, and the shield express academic heritage. Together, these elements create a logo that respects tradition while embracing modern design. The logo was designed to work perfectly in horizontal format, colored background, monochrome, and symbol-only version. For our design system, we choose Poppins typography for its clarity and modern look. The color palette combines deep blue for trust and knowledge and gold for excellence. Now let's move to the website redesign. The old UMBB website is visually overloaded, hard to scan and difficult to navigate. Our redesign follows a user-first, clear navigation path and content-clear approach. On the old website, the navigation is confusing, categories are not clearly grouped, and users struggle to know where to click. In our redesign, the navbar is clean, sections are clearly categorized, and key links are immediately accessible. On the old home page, there is no strong visual focus and important content feels buried. In our redesign, the hero section delivers a clear, meaningful message, call to action button guide users, and content is organized into clean and readable sections. Previously, faculties were mostly listed as a text. In our redesign, each faculty has a dedicated page with a presentation, department, programs, and context. This gives every faculty a strong academic identity. Before, programs were scattered and difficult to understand. Now, formations are clearly organized by level, key information is clearly visible, cards improve readability and comparison. Students can now explore their academic future with confidence. Research is one of the UMBB's strengths, but it wasn't well showcased. In our redesign, research projects and labs are represented as a card, statues is clearly visible, publications and partnerships are highlighted. Now research finally gets the visibility it deserves. We redesigned admission to feel simple. Instead of long text blocks, users now follow a clear step-by-step journey, visual timelines, and helpful call to action. This makes the process easier for new students and parents. The old site barely showcased student life. Our redesign highlights clubs and associations, housing and scholarships, sports and campus life. UMBB now feels like a dynamic community. Instead of long text lists to search, we redesigned the directory to be searchable, filterable, and easy to use. Finding staff, teacher, or services now takes a second. We also introduced a true multimedia experience, photo galleries, video sections, and YouTube integration. The university can now tell its story visually. Before, the contact page was basic information only. Now it's a clear, welcoming, and interactive, with the forms, maps, and social media integration, which make communication become simple and modern. With this redesign, we believe that UMBB now has a modern digital identity, a user-centered website, and a design that reflects its academic excellence. In the end, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering our redesign. You can explore the full project through the Figma link below.